Oil just dropped below $75 a barrel for the first time since before the Middle East conflict began, as the US and Iran signed their peace agreement in France, and tankers started moving through the Strait of Hormuz again. The Strait of Hormuz had been blocked since late February, cutting off roughly 14 million barrels a day from global supply. With it now open, oil markets are pricing in a rapid return of that supply. This is the Milton Brief for Friday, June 19th. On June 18, 2026, crude oil fell below $75 a barrel for the first time since before the US-Iran conflict began, as the two countries signed a memorandum of understanding in Versailles and Iran immediately reopened the Strait of Hormuz. The Strait of Hormuz is the world's biggest oil choke point. It had been closed since late February, cutting off roughly 14 million barrels a day from global supply. With the strait now open, markets are pricing in a rapid return of that supply. WTI crude settled near 74 to 80 and Brent near 77 to 80, erasing nearly all the gains recorded since the conflict started. Stocks rallied broadly on the news. The S&P 500 gained 1.08%, the Nasdaq rose 1.91%, and the Dow added 0.17%. The agreement and the reopening were confirmed by Reuters and Al Jazeera on June 18. The same day, oil markets moved sharply on the news. That is your Milton Brief for June 19. Subscribe to stay current on what is moving markets every day. If this helped, subscribe to the Milton Brief, and I'll see you in the next one.